Yo, welcome everyone. No one talks about the harsh truth of the entire crypto market right now. Some major support levels have been lost, market structure was broken, and we are also moving in quite a significant downtrend. This is one of the videos I did not want to make, but this is just the reality you really need to hear. First, I want to address what was happening yesterday on the first ever White House Crypto Summit. To be honest, I was expecting slightly more. The entire event lasted only 25 minutes, and to be honest, all you can hear on the event was thank you, thank you, thank you. With the entire event, all we got on Bitcoin was a very small push towards downside, and overall speaking, we are still moving in quite a significant downtrend. We are below the area of resistance, and also paying attention to our triangle, Bitcoin as of right now is still trading exactly at the bottom of this quite an important triangle. Later in the video, I am going to show you exactly why ideally we would like to see some kind of a push towards the upside, not only because of the order flow of what exactly other people are doing in the market, but also we are going to pay attention to the liquidation levels that as of right now are quite huge, exactly above our recent highs. But nevertheless, let's right now talk about the unfortunate reality the entire crypto market and specifically Bitcoin is right now moving in. Most probably you know that I have been bullish for quite a long time, even at this specific area where a lot of people were calling for a brand new lower low. I was still expecting another all-time high. Why so? Because I am purely going with the data we are given at a specific time. Once you're paying attention to the market structure, we got our previous high right here, we got our previous low that led to another push towards the upside, or in this case also towards another all-time high. This specific area, it could still be another higher low, and we were expecting for Bitcoin to continue its trend even higher towards approximately 120,000 US dollars. But right now the reality is, our recent low right here was lost, which means that on the daily time frame, the entire bullish market structure has been broken towards downside, and we are right now seeing the first ever lower low in quite a long time. Even at this specific area, we still remained in a bullish market structure. Why so? Because the low that led to a brand new all-time high was at approximately 38,000 US dollars. For Bitcoin to break bullish market structure on the daily time frame, we needed to dip below 38,000 US dollars, which is then going to mean a lower low is going to be formed, and this right here is then going to be a bearish Bitcoin indication. But as of right now, what you're going to see, the low that led towards a brand new all-time high was set at 89,000 US dollars, and clearly this specific low is right now broken towards downside, which means that on the daily time frame, Bitcoin does have right now bearish market structure. This right here is for sure a bearish indication for the Bitcoin price itself. And additionally, once you're paying attention to some significant and very important levels, you're going to notice this specific level or our previous lows are at the moment acting as a significant area of resistance, which right now means if we do see a reclaim towards the upside above the level, we can be more bullish. But nevertheless, we are as of right now still below a major area of resistance, and additionally paying attention to the exponential moving averages on the 4-hourly, on the 2-hourly, on the 1-hourly time frame. Unfortunately, we are not seeing any major sign of strength. Later in the video, I'm also going to give you my ideal scenario, what I'm right now paying attention to on Bitcoin, because yes, ideally, I still want to see another push towards the upside and only then potentially another push down, but we are going to talk about our ideal scenario slightly later. Right now, I would really appreciate for you to smash up the like button, because 800 likes are definitely possible, and also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Overall speaking, as of right now, I am still holding some nice long or buying positions, not only on Bitcoin, also literally on a lot of different altcoins. And also, I am going to be taking another profit if we are going to see right now in the next couple of hours, in the next couple of days, another push towards the upside. Why I would ideally like to see another push towards the upside, you may be asking? Simply because of the tweet I made only 58 minutes ago. I actually said right here, major liquidation cluster on Bitcoin exactly at 91,400 US dollars. Also, People continue to short, and the selling pressure is getting absorbed. A short squeeze on Bitcoin would not surprise me. So what exactly am I talking about? And maybe you're even going to be surprised. A lot of people are right now extremely bearish exactly at the area of support. We are trading at the bottom of our triangle right here, and because we are as of now at some kind of a support level and also going one step further with our high term time frame levels, clearly it does look like we are trading exactly at our daily high term time frame support level, aligning very nicely with the bottom of our triangle. So going with a brand new short or a sell position, even if we right now continue lower, at least in my opinion, it's not an ideal setup, because you're going with a short position exactly at the area of support. Now, what you're right now going to see what other people are doing in the market right now, the open interest indicator, which is measuring if the brand new money is coming or leaving the market, is seeing a push towards the upside, which means brand new positions are being opened exactly at this specific area. But looking only at this specific indicator, we cannot really tell if those positions are brand new long positions or if they're actually shorting exactly at the area of support. In that case, we need to go one step further with another indicator, which is actually CVD, which is measuring if the buying or selling pressure is coming in the market. And what you're right now going to see, lower low is being formed on the CVD indicator, which means more selling pressure is coming in the market. Open interest is seeing a push toward the upside, which means brand new money is coming in the market. And if we right now tie everything together, it simply means people are shorting Bitcoin exactly at the area of support. And also maybe you're right now wondering, how do I know that this selling pressure is getting absorbed? Simply because we are now seeing another higher low being formed on the Bitcoin chart itself. So once you combine everything together, you actually get quite a nice bullish indication that we are also right now seeing on the Bitcoin chart itself. So going right now with a brand new short or a sell position at this specific area, at least in my opinion, it's not the best idea. That is of course once again also why, if you're right now looking for a brand new position at this specific level, I would definitely not fire a short but actually go with another long or a buy. Personally, I am still holding some nice long or buy positions, so I am not going to enter another trade, but I would definitely say if you're right now maybe on the sidelines looking for a short right here, at least in my opinion, it's not really going to be the smartest position you can right now enter. Now, additionally, if you have been following me on Twitter for the past couple of days, you know exactly about the prediction I made on 6th of March, 2 days ago, also using literally the exact same strategy. Lower high was formed on Bitcoin, higher high on the CVD, and also we got literally the exact same thing. Open interest increasing, which means people were going with a long position, not able to push the price higher. And what we got right here, another significant push towards downside. So right now, I would really like to say we are at the area of support, we are seeing bullish absorption right here, and also going one step further with the liquidations, you can right now see a major liquidations cluster exactly at 91,400, 91,300 US dollars, which as of right now is also acting as some kind of a magnet for the Bitcoin chart itself. So ideally, I want to see another push towards the upside, at least for us to take the liquidity above the recent highs. But also, as I said before, I want to share with you my ideal scenario right now on Bitcoin, let's just say on the 4-hour time frame. Before we do talk about that, if you want to trade with us, you can still secure some insane free bonuses using the links down below. With the first link right here, you can get the 30,000 US dollar in welcome rewards on Bybit exchange once you're going to register, once you're going to deposit, and once you're also going to trade some. But with this specific bonus, you can then simply open another trade. Additionally, with BTC exchange, no KYC, no VPN, a slightly smaller bonus, but nevertheless, you're going to get for 1 month VIP level 3 and 10 USDT only on a sign up, capped to only 300 users. So take advantage of the bonuses using the links down below, because in the next couple of days, we can definitely be looking to enter another position, and not only in the next couple of days, maybe even today with a brand new long or a buying position. But let me right now do share with you an ideal scenario I want to see to be formed on Bitcoin in the next couple of days. And as I said before, ideally, first of all, before Bitcoin can continue lower, I want to see another push towards the upside, not only towards our liquidations cluster right here, but also ideally slightly higher. Why higher? Because once we are going, for example, on the daily time frame and identifying a major diagonal area of resistance, guess what? A lot of people are going to be paying attention to the resistance at approximately 95,000 US dollars. And also, guess what? People, once they are going to be bullish right here, they are going to be entering major brand new long or buying positions. But this simply is not going to be the best idea where to enter a long. Why? Because you're looking for a long or a buying position after Bitcoin has already gotten a push towards the upside, and also exactly where majority of the market is going to flip extremely bullish. Now, looking also at our high-term time frame areas of resistances, what you're right now going to see a major weekly high-term time frame level landing exactly at 96,300 US dollars. So what can that mean? If people are going to flip extremely bullish at this specific area, we can get some kind of a fake out, liquidity grab above our recent high, and only then a major, another significant rejection below our recent low, below 78,000 US dollars. I would say if we start breaking our weekly level right here with some major volume, we can definitely flip even more bullish on Bitcoin, but nevertheless, as of right now, resistance is the level of resistance until proven otherwise. That is why I am going to take even more profits of my long or buying position if the market allows, if we are going to see another push towards the upside towards this specific level in the next couple of days. And yes, as I said before, ideally I want to see higher before potentially Bitcoin can continue lower. Why lower? Because as we said before, market structure is bearish on the daily time frame, and overall speaking, we are still moving in a downtrend on the 4-hourly, on the 2-hourly, and also on the 1-hourly time frame. Now, what about Ethereum? Because Ethereum at the moment is actually seeing a very small push toward the upside, and additionally, Ethereum Bitcoin chart is also seeing a very small rotation, literally straight towards the previous highs. And I was actually able to find a very interesting chart from Titan of Crypto talking about why Ethereum can see a bigger bounce in the next couple of weeks, in the next couple of months versus Bitcoin. Simply because, pay attention to this very interesting chart. Over the past 5 years, weekly oversold stochastic RSI crossovers have consistently signaled an incoming Ethereum pump. History repeating, and just right now paying attention to some very simple logic. We are trading at the area of support, stochastic RSI is right now being at the oversold area, so logically speaking, and if the history is at least some kind of going to repeat, we can be expecting some kind of a bounce literally to happen in the next couple of days, in the next couple of weeks. But as I said before, if Bitcoin is also going to see another push towards the upside in the next couple of days, pay attention to this specific area where potentially it can only be some kind of a fake out from a diagonal, and we can be looking then for another short or a sell position, because we are in a downtrend, not only on Bitcoin, but of course also on the Ethereum chart itself. If you want to trade with us, take advantage of the bonuses using the links down below after you register and after initial deposit, and thank you for smashing up the like button.